Alright, you all, if you want to know how I achieved this blue hair, go ahead and like and subscribe. Subscribe and like. It doesn't matter which one you do first as long as you tap that notification button. If you're ahead, what's up, famo? Let's go and get into the video. Alright, y'all, so this is going to be a mixture video of me talking and voiceover. So I started off with freshly washed hair, and I'm going in and going to spritz my hair with warm, misty water. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Moroccan Curl Perfection. And I like to use this because this is a nice lightweight solution to help define my curls just a little bit and to give it a little detangle as well. I also want to add in, if you all see me chewing my tongue throughout this video, it's just a habit that I have when I'm really concentrating on something. I think my family members also do it, so I think it's just something that's been passed down. Alright, so each of my sections have 4 sections, and in those 4 sections I split my hair into 2, one on the top and one on the bottom. So that's what I'm doing here. So now I'm going in with my curl definition brush, and I'm going to go ahead and detangle that particular section. So it's almost like doing a wash and go, but I'm really just raking through my hair product. Curl Perfection was a little bit lightweight, so I needed something heavier, so I got my TGNI buttercream. I'm just using a little bit, not a whole lot, just something to give my curls a little bit more weight and a little bit more definition. What you all have been waiting for. I don't know how to explain the smell, but I don't know how much I'm supposed to use, so I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm not going to put it on my root. Okay, this is what it looks like in my hand. Okay, so as you all see, the initial application, like, it was very light and very faint. So as you see in this video, I'll go in, sometimes I'll apply some sections with like 2 more hand loads of prayer hands is what I like to call it, just to put it through. I'm not applying this to my root either because I just don't want to. I want it to be more like a ombre fade, so just keep watching. Not really looking like anything now. So for each section, I did a little twist out so I can get the best definition out of this product. So you all, this is how it's looking so far. It's very faint, but it's not too bad. And yes, my hands are blue, but it's not hard to get off. Alright, you all. So I went on and finished my sections. It came out pretty nicely. I got some on the roots just a little bit, but I was able to wipe it off. It didn't really show. It gave my hair some nice definitions, a little bit of elongation. It was, pretty nice. It was a nice experience. I also washed my hands and it came out pretty easily with water, so there was no issue there. I also want to say that I went in and blow dried my hair so I could get it dry quicker. I used heat at first, but I realized with wax you have to use cool air the second time around, so that's what I did to make sure that it brightened up the color, which that's what it did. Okay, yo, so this is day 2. You can see it in there a little bit. It's actually really nice and dry. I'm not gonna take it out just yet. I'm gonna leave it in for another day so that I make sure that my twists are really defined the way I like. My hair always looks nice after I do like a 2-day, 3-day twist out and then take it out, and it'll be like this really cute little afro. So I'm hoping that this is what happens. When I look at the color, it's not as noticeable. It's like a really dark, like y'all can see how like it's a really dark blue. So I don't know about this brand of hair wax. I might try another brand in another video, but right now it's just like a dark blue. When it comes to transfer, it really didn't come off my hand when I just touched it just now, as y'all can see. I mean, a little bit of flaky flake, but that's it. I slept with my silk, what's this called? I can't remember. My silk bonnet, and I mean, not too much came off on here. A little bit of flaky flake in there. Y'all can't really see it, but I can see it. I can see the little gold dust. So, and I also sleep on a silk pillow. So it didn't come off, of course, on there. And my hair was a little bit damp when I went to sleep last night, but not too much. So I might go back in with some of the hair wax and put some on top of my twist and see if that changes anything. But right now it's just a very faint dark blue. So I'm not for sure how I'm feeling about it right now. So I'm gonna come back to you all tomorrow and take these down and we'll see what happens. All right, you all, so it's day 3 and the color is actually popping a little bit more. I went in and I put a little bit more on yesterday, so it made it a little bit more vibrant. But I'll also say that now it's actually really flaky. It's a lot more flaky this time because I think I put more on it, but the color is really shown. And what else? My scalp is a little bit itchy, but it's not on my scalp, so I don't know why my scalp is itchy. But it's looking pretty nice. I put my bonnet on, but a couple of them look a little flat, and some of the curls went away. So we'll see what happens. Let me go take this out, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So this is how my hair is looking. Like you all see these flakes, right? All over my shoulder. Can y'all see that? So it has a lot of crust. When I took it out, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go style it, shape and all that good stuff. Get dressed, and I'll be back. All right, you all. So this is day 4 here, and yeah, I mean, the thing about this is that in the dark, it does not show how bright and vibrant it is. So here's some pictures that I took within like natural light. So that's what it looks like in natural light. But when I sit in the dark or like in an indoor lighting setting, this is what my hair looks like as color wise. I will say that now I'm experiencing like a lot more flaking everywhere. Like, gets this fluff her hair, there's flakes. She turns her head, there's flakes. She scratches her scalp, there's flakes. She sneezes, there's flakes. She puts on a shirt, there's flakes. And I'm just fed up at this point. With this particular brand, it's very, very flaky after a couple of days. The color is nice. I mean, though in some settings it's not really showing the way that I would love for it to show. But the color is nice and light. And I mean, it was a great, safe way to dye my hair. Well, I won't even call it that I dyed my hair, because I didn't, because it's just hair wax. So it was a great alternative to dyeing your hair without any harsh chemicals on your natural hair or permed hair, whatever you're putting on your hair. But it was a great, safe way to do it, to experiment. I will never ever dye my hair in real life. That's just not me. But I did it for y'all today. I showed y'all how it looked. Y'all showed me a lot of love on social media. Thank you for that. So until next time, fam, I love y'all. My allergies is getting to me. I need to go take a Zyrtec, so I got to go. Okay? I love y'all. Until next time.